This is Misty. She's asleep in Garrett's lap, upside down, and she's snoring. And her tail periodically twitches. She's dreaming. I don't know if you can kind of see how she's sleeping.
She's dreaming of eating some more ocean mix.